Welcome to Seoul for the Future Legends Experience with Joe Cole.
One, two, three. I'm really excited to kick off the first BingX coaching clinic. We're going to work on all of your skills and we're going to have some fun and we're going to play some games. Are you ready? Right. You ready for training? That's for you, little present from BingX in Chelsea, one each. You've all done fantastically well today. You've taken the first steps on becoming great at football.
My team. It's all over.
Let's go. Thank you guys.